Hello and welcome to our social science class. Today we are going to discuss about understanding diversity. Understanding diversity, this lesson, it is from 6th standard civics first lesson. So this understanding diversity, it's a very important lesson. I think that I don't think it is only for students to go through and understand diversity of our country. Understanding diversity is important not just for students but all for all of us should read and understand diversity of our country. Country is so diverse. If we can't imagine that much diversity we could see around us. Look at the diverse people. People are diverse in terms of religion, culture, rituals and festivals. There are people who believe in God, theists, and people who do not believe in God, they are atheists. There are the dress we wear, that is different. Food that we eat, that is different. Art, dance, music, that are different. Even climate also are not similar uniformly across our country. Even caste, thousands of castes are there, differences. Then languages, so many, more than 1,000 languages people are speaking across India. So diverse. So many more are there. When we think about, discuss about diversity, more points we could discuss. It is also doubtful that no other country in the world that has this much diversity like India. Therefore, it is very important each one of us to appreciate and celebrate our diversity. So country, that's why at least adult at the young population, all people, once they should read NCRT social science textbook. That I think will give you a beautiful account of our country's huge diversity. Then only we get a better understanding about our country, what our country is, what is an idea of India. You will get when you understand diversity. So today we are going to discuss this topic that is from 6th standard NCRT syllabus, first lesson, civics. So look around. You look at a classroom. Even in classroom, you can see you. Do you see that there is all students look exactly like you do? No. People are different. Students are different in many ways. Not only their look, but they also belong to different backgrounds, cultural, religious, language that they speak, everything is different. So this is something that enriches, that we are should be excited to know more. In many ways, it is so interesting. That also gives more fun to understand our diversity. People are from different backgrounds, different backgrounds. As I said just now, culture, religion, caste, language, food we eat, dress we wear, everything. So interesting. Then to understand India, then it is so interesting, also very exciting. So have you ever thought about what, because of this diversity, what benefit you get? What actually add to your life? What does this diversity add to your life? Have you ever thought about that? No. How didn't have you ever imagined that how India became like this, like a huge country with this much diversity? So this much differences, all differences, don't think it is diversity. Then another question you can ask, this in the midst of this much diversity, how can we create unity? That's also a question. All these questions we are going to address and find answer for you. We will help you to find answer for yourself. So look at, these are the three drawings that is drawn, these figures, human figures, drawn by three students at your age. So look at three figures, three of them look different, not similar. This empty box is there. You can also draw your human figure there. Then you compare with those three. Then do you see that any similarity? Never. Probably no similarity you can find there. That much difference is there. Why? The drawings are different. It's a different because your drawing style is very different. It's very unique. The drawing does not look like exactly, it does not look each other. There are differences you can see. So this one, in this way, if you look around us, we can say huge diversity differences in among people in terms of the language they speak, cultural backgrounds they are coming from, religious, spiritual rituals, everything are entirely different from one another. So all these are we are going to discuss in this lesson. So like again, you can, the students, you can just fill out this one. Again, we can understand, if you want to understand what diversity, how diversity is working out, functioning. Look at this, fill out the following information. 3, 4 question statements. When I go out, I like wearing. What type of dress you would like to wear? At home, which language you are speaking? Hindi, Marathi, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada, Kashmiri, Oriya, Gujarati, many more. Within one state, you can see number of languages people speak here. Then what is your favorite sport? Maybe that also different. The kind of books you read, it also can be different. So in this way, you think that differences are this diversity. So that make a list of this one. Each student, each one of you make a list of what dress you wear when you go out, which language you speak at home, what is your favorite sport, and what kind of books you read. Then make a list and compare with other students. Then you will find, you will be surprised. You may find only differences with probably not much similarities. Maybe language you speak may be same. When you come to the reading of books, that different books. Dress also, that also different languages. Within a class itself gives us a diversity. So now I think with these examples, you understand little bit about how diverse your class is. Then you can imagine how different around us in other states across India, all over India, how different people are, how different language they are speaking. All these are very important. So this is an introduction. In coming days, we will see that we will go deeper and deeper and discuss each one of the diversities that is prevailing, existing in our country. So today, go through this lesson. We will discuss on next day. If you have any comment and any doubt, you can comment here on and send questions. I will reply. We will discuss later. Thank you for coming. See you again on next video.